Little Giant was established in 1941, but we are showcasing one of our pumps that was initially introduced in 1965, which is the 6 series, so the 6 CIA sump pump. Additionally, we're going to talk about the EC1UDV, which is a mini split condensate removal pump that's actually going to be an undermount for underneath those mini splits. So the EC1UDV is for any mini split condensate removal pumps that have an undermount drainage system. So what we're going to do is we're actually going to take our EC1DV pump and reservoir, and it's going to sit in a really nice undermount case that's going to go on there that is paintable, and it has a nice aesthetically looking feel to it. So the VCMA-PRO is not a new pump by any means. It actually used to be called the VCMX. 2 years ago, we realized that we wanted to really go back to the brick and mortar stores, and that's why it's called the VCMA-20-PRO. It's for the professionals. We have to look at the different features that the professionals are going to use. But it's a quarter turn check valve. We also have an external test run lever, so you can just depress it and it's going to turn the pump on and off, as well as an external safety switch, which is going to be for overflow detection. So we can either wire this directly to the unit, so if it does sense that it's going to overflow, it's going to shut the unit down, or we can connect it to a low frequency alarm. We also have Franklin Tech Online, where we have a lot of different virtual trainings that people can go through at their leisure and really just be educated on our product. We want to make it easy to use, but also understand. For our submersible pumps, they are 100% wet tested. So what that means is at the end of every manufacturing line, they are plumbed, they are hooked up to electricity, they are turned on, they are deadheaded, checking pressure, and just checking the ground. And then they are dried off, packaged, and then shipped out. So everybody knows that our products are working 100% when they get that product. People really should look for Little Giant, just really keeping up with innovation and just keeping the same quality of products that we've had over the years, and just really trying to stay one step ahead of the game to make it, one, reliable, but also cost-effective, great product offerings.